Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Butterfly Explosion gift box is probably one of the most unique and surprising ways to show your appreciation this Mother's Day, offering a delightful cascade of colorful butterflies that spring to life when the box is opened, creating a truly magical and unforgettable moment for any mom who deserves to feel special and celebrated. Number 5. Giiffu 3D Flower Pop-Up Card. Experience unique artistry with this elegant 3D flower card. It features an exquisite bouquet-style arrangement of vibrant watercolor flowers that blooms when opened, offering a delightful sensory surprise. This card combines beautiful 3D floral artistry with practical functionality. It includes a discreet side pocket designed to securely hold cash or a gift card, bringing double the joy. This handcrafted card serves as the ultimate Mother's Day pop-up card for mom, grandma, or wife. It's a heartfelt way to express deep appreciation during the holiday season. This is the perfect year-round gifting solution. It's a top choice for birthday cards, a charming teacher card, a thoughtful get-well gift, or a sweet sympathy gesture. Precision laser cut from high-quality eco-friendly art paper, this card includes a premium matching envelope and a blank note card insert. You can write your private wishes without altering the 3D art. What we like? This card offers a stunning watercolor flower bouquet that blooms when opened, providing a unique artistic surprise. It also features a built-in slot to hold cash or a gift card, combining beauty with practicality. If you're looking for a heartfelt and functional gift for Mother's Day or any occasion, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The Butterfly Explosion gift box is a unique and creative way to present a gift. The box itself is sturdy and well-made, ensuring the butterflies are protected during transport. When opened, the butterflies spring out in a beautiful and surprising display. Number 4. FETTIPOP Exploding Confetti Gift Box. Looking for a gift that truly wows? Introducing a unique way to surprise your loved ones. It's perfect for any celebration. Imagine their face when they open this special gift. As it's opened, a burst of confetti erupts, creating an unforgettable moment. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or holiday, this gift adds an extra layer of excitement. Make any occasion memorable. Crafted with premium materials, this gift box is designed to impress. Its elegant look complements the surprise inside. It's an experience that brings joy and laughter. Give a gift that doesn't just sit there, but actively celebrates with them. Create lasting memories with this exciting reveal. It's the perfect way to show you care and make them feel special. What we like? This gift box delivers an immediate, wow effect with exploding confetti upon opening, creating a memorable moment. It comes as a complete kit, making it incredibly easy to use for any celebration. If you want to surprise someone with an exciting and fun reveal, this is the perfect option for birthdays, parties, or any festive occasion. What people say. The Butterfly Explosion gift box is a unique and creative way to surprise someone. The butterflies are beautifully designed and add a touch of elegance to the gift. The gift box is easy to assemble and the butterflies pop out when opened, creating a memorable experience. Number 3. Paper Love Frndly Butterflies Bouquet 3D Pop-Up Card. Tired of ordinary greeting cards? Discover a unique way to express your feelings with our stunning pop-up creation. It's designed to surprise and delight with its intricate 3D design. Make your message truly special with the included blank insert tag. Write your heartfelt words without compromising the card's beautiful pop-up artwork. This is more than just a card, it's a gift in itself. Its large size and detailed 3D design make a memorable impression for any occasion. Feel good about your purchase. Our cards are crafted from recycled materials, ensuring no trees are harmed in their creation. It's an environmentally responsible choice. We're committed to sustainability. From packaging to the card itself, we use recycled materials and plant a tree for every purchase. Help us restore the planet, one card at a time. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just because, this card is the perfect way to show you care. Its versatile design suits all your special moments. What we like? This card features a beautiful 3D butterflies bouquet design that is both creative and visually stunning. It's made from 100% recycled and eco-friendly materials, and for every card sold, a tree is planted. If you value sustainability and want to send a unique, artistic greeting while supporting environmental efforts, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Butterfly Explosion gift box is a unique and creative way to present a gift. It features a stunning design with intricate details that make it stand out. The box opens up to reveal a beautiful display of butterflies, creating a memorable moment. Number 2. Wanateber DIY Explosion Gift Box, Black. Introducing a unique gift that unfolds to reveal cherished memories. It's designed to surprise and delight, making any occasion extra special. This DIY explosion box is your canvas for heartfelt messages and precious photos. With multiple layers and pockets, you can create a truly personalized keepsake. More than just photos, it features a hidden compartment perfect for a ring, watch, or necklace. Add an extra layer of surprise to your thoughtful gift. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, Valentine's Day, or Mother's Day, this explosion box is the ideal way to express your love and appreciation. It opens up to reveal ample space with 12 picture pockets across 6 faces. You can also customize it further with included fun cards and decorative elements. We ensure you'll love this explosion box. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This is an assembled explosion box, saving you assembly time and allowing you to focus on personalization with your photos and messages. It features multiple layers and pockets for photos, plus a built-in middle box perfect for a ring or small gift. If you want a highly customizable and impactful DIY gift that holds many memories, this is ideal for significant occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. What people say. The Butterfly Explosion gift box is a unique and creative way to surprise someone. It's a great option for Mother's Day or any special occasion. The box is designed to release butterflies when opened, creating a memorable moment. Number 1. RECUTMS Explosion Gift Box. Introducing a unique gift box designed to surprise and delight. It unfolds layer by layer, revealing cherished memories within. This is a finished product, saving you assembly time. You can personalize it with your photos, drawings, and heartfelt messages. When opened, it measures 17 by 17 inches, offering ample space. It folds down to a compact size, perfect for gifting. The package includes the finished explosion box along with various decorative elements and tools to help you create a stunning gift. It's an ideal gift for Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, and more. Create a lasting memory book of your special moments. This special box is perfect for expressing your love. It's a creative way to store and share your most treasured memories. What we like. This explosion gift box comes as a finished product, meaning no assembly is required, making it incredibly convenient. It unfolds to a large size, offering ample space for photos and messages, and the inner box can hold a special surprise. If you're looking for a ready-to-use, impressive gift that serves as a beautiful memory keepsake for loved ones, this is a fantastic choice for any special occasion. What people say. The Butterfly Explosion gift box is a unique and creative way to surprise someone. It's a great option for Mother's Day or any special occasion. The box is designed to hold a surprise inside, and when opened, butterflies fly out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.